This video is for the men out there, all about andropause. So as much as the ladies have menopause, perimenopause, the guys have something called andropause. And at a certain age, this is when men's hormones start to change, usually after the age of about 45, 50. And you can have some symptoms associated with the andropause. Let's go through 6 of them. Okay, number 1 on my list is decreased muscle mass and strength. Now, this could be just because of the aging process and, of course, a loss of testosterone levels as you're aging as well, and that lack of muscle strength. Of course, we could become more sedentary as we're aging as well, so maybe not using those muscles and working out as much as we should be. That could be part of it as well. Okay, number 2 on my list, another symptom of andropause, increase in body fat. And unfortunately for the men, it goes to all the wrong places. So either gynecomastia, so the breast tissue can enlarge in men, as well as that abdominal fats and that belly fat, of course, as well, because of andropause setting in. Okay, number 3 on my list is decreased bone mineral density and osteoporosis. So we often think of this as something that happens a lot with women, of course, with decreasing estrogen levels in menopause and perimenopause, but this is true for the guys as well, that the bone density can become at risk in andropause. Okay, number 4 on my list is depressed mood, changing moods, irritability as it's related to those hormones changing in andropause. And number 5 on my list is concentration issues in andropause and even short-term memory loss. And this may be something that you're noticing. So you get into another area of your house, you're not sure why you're there. Maybe you're having difficulty completing your sentences. The thought is in your brain, but it's not necessarily translating into speech when you're speaking. So again, another sign that those hormones are changing. And number 6 on my list, another common symptom of andropause is reduced hair growth. So the hair stops growing as well, but even some overt hair loss in males and male pattern baldness as well, as that's related to those hormones changing, often related to the less favorable type of testosterone, that DHT, dihydrotestosterone. And when that unfortunately is out of balance, this can cause a lot of that hair loss. Now, speaking of hair loss for both the men and the women, I have another video all about that. 5 tips to stop hair fall. I'll see you there.